Good morning. Ugh. How was your yesterday? Did you trade? Or did we stick to our rules and not trade No News Monday, which was the choppiest motherfucking thing I'd ever seen? There was one confirmation setup, but it was just so choppy. I think it was like here. No. Where was it? The chart's all oh, okay, it's here. Somewhere here on the 1 minute. Saw Tempo took it, or no, nobody could take it because Top Step X was down, but I saw Tempo post about it. All right, so what are we looking at today? I have my fib up with the 50% retracement. I'm thinking that, all right, so let's look on the higher time frame. On NQ, we closed above every one of the gaps from the move down. We closed above the daily, we closed above the 4 hour, we closed above the last 1 hour. We also closed above the last 15 minute. So that should tell us that we're good to go to all-time highs, except ES did not do the same. ES closed above the daily, ES closed above the 4 hour, but the last 1 hour gap in the leg, ES has not closed above. So this gives us good confirmation to, let's see the 15 minute. Okay, yeah, and I have that 15 minute marked out there. So this gives us good confirmation actually to take a short. So, yeah. If both indices had closed above on every time frame, I would say we're going to all-time highs. But because we have that SMT, I would really think we'd either want to come back to discount. Yeah, I would say we at least want to come back to discount. So we'll watch our reactions off there. On ES, the candles are kind of fucked up, so I can't see all the gaps, but from looking on TradingView, there are it's just a bunch of 1 hours. 1 hours, 15 minutes, blah, blah, blah. So what am I looking for today as a dream scenario? What I've been watching here is this 15 minute. So we've been really choppy overnight. Super choppy. Like, look at this. Just chop down, chop around, chop back up. And the only thing that I saw that was really holding price was this 15 minutes. So we came into it, we pushed, we stalled, we came back into it, we held, came back into it again, held. And then finally this one here didn't close above, but on ES, didn't close below, but on ES, we did close below that one. So another confirmation for bears. However, if we're asking me, I would say we would do something like this. Woo! Go up. Or this. Something like that. That's what I would imagine to go to all-time highs. However, what we really want to do, though, is react to price. So we don't want to guess. That's not good. What we're going to do is we're going to wait till price comes into our level, and then we're going to watch the reaction. So if we have a good reaction, and then we get an IFVG, and we kind of can configure the drawn liquidity, which I imagine is either Asia high or London high. Either Asia high or all-time highs. But I believe that if we come back up to all-time highs, we are going to 25,400. So we will use, book map hasn't been moving. Okay, good thing I checked that. So as always, we'll be using book map. We'll use our delta too. So from what I can see here, there's a lot of heat below. ES 6765 all the way down to 750. Which the 750 mark actually aligns really nicely on ES with our discount range. It's literally right there. NQ, I am seeing some spoofing. So we got orders coming in, orders being removed, orders coming in. You see all these little spots? That's spoofing. That's someone pushing down price. To below, we have that 260 level. And then even further down to 25, 100, 25, 200. So let's see where that is. 25, 100's down here. What we also want to find is our last gap in the leg. So this is our last 1 hour. I'll mark that one out. And our last 1 hour coincides pretty nicely with our last 15-minute in the leg, so we will use that. I'm going to delete this fib, but I will put this here. So this is our discount.
Iceberg ES sell.
All right. So we're basically all ready for market open now. I'll get my, I'll put in 3 micros. We'll see how big the range is, actually. The range is pretty small. Let's check it from here. Okay. So, market open will tell us if NQ is going to inverse this 15-minute or if it's going to hold it. Trying to see anything coinciding here with ES. So ES has an hour. Oh, that will close at 10 though. Okay, ES is being held up by a 5-minute right now. We had a really big wick into a 5-minute, so I will just keep watching that. And 2, we have just been kind of bopping around VWAP. Make a break below it, come back up, can't really get above it. So it's another good confluence to go short. But we'll just have to see what market open gives us. So here we've got a low inside of fair value gap. Pretty good draw on liquidity. This and London low too is a low inside of fair value gap, so that's also a good draw. Let's see, yeah, on the 1 hour. No equal highs that I'm seeing. The delta came in not too impressive. Green delta, then red delta.
Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ buy.
Well, we didn't really sweep anything. We're just kind of, I mean, you could say we swept this. But yeah, I don't like to trade pre-market, so we will not be trading pre-market. We will just wait here. And look how choppy it is. This is the 1 minute. So, guess if you want a dream scenario, market open, comes, hits that high, and then we take a short. Because there's no way ES is hitting that high. So what would happen? Dream scenario, ES, market open, ES takes Asia high, NQ takes all-time highs, and then we dump. I would take a dump off that. There's our Asia high, London low. I do them on the higher time frame, so they kind of get pushed around. It's one big candle. We have equal highs on ES. Here, I'll show you guys.
Sweep and Q sellers.
There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 5 minute. A bunch on the 1 minute. So 1 minute now until market open. So let's just see what happens. Market open. It started going really slow there. I don't know if this would be considered our
Iceberg
first
ES
percentage
sell.
fair value. Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let's see what happened at that 15.
Stop
He
and Q
still
sell.
held it. I would say we're just gonna rock it.
Stop and Q buy.
That 15 minute held so good. Oh, I want to send just one long. That's crazy. Yeah, it's still holding. The bodies are still holding. So not a lot that I'm seeing here between buying and selling. It's kind of even. Now we
Stop and Q sell.
Okay, we can use this as liquidity.
Stop and Q sell.
So let's say we take that London low, we react, we can come up to here, to that liquidity there. Yeah, just crazy choppy. So this here could possibly be considered our first presented fair value gap.
Stop and Q buy.
Big buyers on ES. Plus 204, plus 442, minus 2. So let's just see. Let's wait for us to hit this low and then see how we react. That's the most important part. Okay, so we're reacting
Stop
off
and
this
Q
low.
sell.
Which isn't much. And I'm gonna put this right there. Oh, my floor cleaning robot is talking.
Sweep and Q buyers.
Okay, so plus 442, plus 84. Oh, it hit. We hit this. Yeah, we hit some liquidity. But I'm not really seeing the buyers coming in. Now we would really have to go above this. Watch that 15-minute hold still. Not bad, about 250 risk. Okay, first presented fair value
Stop
gap.
and Q buy.
If we close above this, that is looking good for us.
Stop NQ buy.
We're only halfway through the candle.
Stop NQ buy. Stop NQ buy.
You might be able to. The 30-second and the 1 minute are going to close at the same time. And our TP is just above VWAP. So still holding that. The delta's pretty green though.
Stop NQ sell.
Okay, 8 seconds. I'm happy to take a long here. Oh, all right. This 1 minute and the 30-second will also close at the same time.
Stop ES buy.
Oh, SMT. ES is going. Damn it.
Order filled.
Stop NQ buy.
And we don't have a good break-even spot here. I'm just gonna wait until ES takes that high, and then I'm exiting. We're above VWAP, so I really do believe we are gonna go. And the delta's really nice and green. It's coming back on me though. It's a pretty big stop. It's actually less than a 1-to-1 because I sent my order. And my heart is racing. Just let it retest. Just let it retest. The delta looks good to go up, so unless we really just dump. We have all these equal highs here. It's still holding. What did the 30-second do?
Sweep NQ buyers.
It's still holding. Oh, damn. Okay, getting ready to get my finger on the button. Oh, we're on the 30-second time frame now. ES hasn't hit that high yet. That's just what I'm watching. If ES hits that high, then we likely will reverse. The delta's not really coming in very, very red. I believe this is going to go up. I am just holding. Okay, ES is going. ES is going. Once ES hits that high, I'm out. I'm not going to hold it past this high with this kind of stalling. And I'm in a mini, so... Okay, still bright green delta. But I gotta really watch ES. Okay, ES is about to hit that high. Oh no, not yet. Oh, now we're rejecting. Delta's still really green. Okay, I'm gonna go break even. Actually, I'm not. We're still holding. Oh, damn it. We're still holding the IFVG. ES didn't hit the liquidity, so we're just gonna hold our position until it hits it. The model's still working. We swept liquidity, just we left our London low. Delta's very green.
Sweep NQ buyers. Sweep NQ sellers.
Sweep buyers, sweep sellers. It's really struggling on this one. All right. Oh, the delta was so green on that.
Stop NQ sell.
Oh, damn it. This is going to go against me really bad. Oh, I got to close that.
Order filled.
Stop ES sell.
If this 1 minute candle still holds, I will enter again. I just did not want to hit a huge stop loss. Damn it.
Order filled.
Oh, that's not smart, Samaya. That's not smart, Samaya. That's not smart, Samaya. That's not smart, Samaya. It's still holding my position. I'm just having a lot of emotions. Yeah, I got really scared there. Oh, now I'm gonna take 2 losses. Damn it. Oh. No! Oh, god damn it, guys. This is not an easy one. Now I should just close it. Fuck.
Order filled.
Alright, now, that did not go good for us. Alright, so now we wait for our next setup. I took 2 losses. That is not very smart.
Stop
Alright,
NQ sell.
now
Stop
we
NQ
wait.
sell. Stop NQ sell. Sweep NQ sellers. Sweep NQ sellers. Stop NQ sell. Stop NQ sell. Iceberg ES buy. Sweep NQ sellers.
I guess this is a
Stop
sign
NQ sell.
on
Sweep
ES.
NQ sellers. Sweep NQ sellers. Stop ES sell. Sweep NQ sellers.
Okay, so now we hit the London low. Discounts down here.
Stop NQ buy.
However, we could just dump.
Sweep NQ sellers. Sweep NQ buyers.
So something's holding price right now.
Stop NQ buy.
Okay, so the reaction there is not bad. However, the delta doesn't look that great. And ES has all of this liquidity to the bottom.
Stop NQ buy. Stop NQ buy.
Okay, let's see if ES and NQ both break this 1 minute here.
Stop NQ sell.
Although I kind of just broke my rules. Took 2 losses on the same fucking trade. That's not what a professional does.
Iceberg and Q buy.
Yeah, so looks like ES wants to go all the way down.
Sweep and Q sellers. Stop and Q sell. Stop and Q sell.
Okay, this can be considered manipulation leg.
Stop and Q buy.
Better reward now. Oh, there's no 1 minute. There's only a 30-second. Okay, let's see how this goes. No, I wouldn't do the delta on ES.
Stop and Q buy. Sweep and Q buyers. Stop and Q buy.
Order filled.
We have a better break even now. The risk. Holy shit.
Welcome to Think with Book Maps, where we trade futures in a blink with book maps. And for that though you gotta
Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it. And this is where, oh my god. This is not going good for me. You know what?
Order filled.
That's not good. Now I am revenge trading on stream. Great job, Samaya. Oh my god, I'm down $1,000. Well, what happened? We don't know. Wow. I'm kind of just in awe of myself.
Order filled.
Now I am gonna hold this. I'm gonna be very careful with this. Oh, no, don't come back. Just let it get past here. guys. Hit that London low now. That's not very smart. I'm not doing a very good job. This is terrible. My first trade I jumped in too late. And now we're doing it. Now we're doing it. And I just botched it. I just botched all of it. Oh, man. Fuck. That's not very good, Samaya. What are you doing? What are you doing? Now I'm in 2 minis. And I'm just watching it all go. I have no control now. I have lost the control. And my account is just gonna blow. Oh my god. ES swept London. And then I go short. And now I am down all of it. I'm down all of it. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Oh my god. What happened? Wow. That was insanely terrible. Alright, well, I'm 1000% watching this stream back again. I watch all of my streams, but this was just the worst. I think what happened was that I went in too heavy. I went in with 1 mini on my first trade. Here. I went in with 1 mini and all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. That never happens to me. Ugh. My god, I gotta start all over again. That's 2 months in a row. This was invalid. The only one we could take is this one. We're so close now. All right. Well, 23 minutes into stream and we blew our account. Maybe this was meant to happen. And then I send, like, let's just look at these executions. Yeah. And the one thing I've really been working on is my psychology. I felt it when I entered that first trade. I really felt the fear of losing. And I felt my heart racing. And I was watching ES so closely. And I was watching the Delta. And I just couldn't stop staring. I just couldn't stop looking. And I knew with my model and the liquidity that either ES would take this and we would exit if price stalled, or we would, I don't know, I guess I figured that this one would win. I wasn't really ready to take one loss. And then it all just happened really fast. Okay, so I entered once. I closed on this candle because I didn't... No, I closed on this candle. Whichever one came down really hard, really fast. And then I entered again when we still held that fair value gap. Actually, I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to end this stream and I'm going to rewatch back my stream. I remember even saying that I was looking mostly for shorts. So it's like I had a plan, but then I threw my plan out the window pretty quickly. Yeah, we didn't even hit my liquidity. We just hit this, and I saw liquidity on Bookmap. And then I saw this candle, and then the first presented fair value gap, which we closed above. And then everything kind of went to shit from there. And that's the craziest part, is that I haven't been like this. I don't really do that often. But I think it was because that loss was so big and I was in with one mini that it kind of messed up my mindset. So I'm going to be honest. We'll have this stream. It'll be something very good for me to rewatch and just figure it out. Because a lot of people that I know and that I meet in the IFVG community, they all say that they would be profitable if it wasn't for revenge trading. So really, 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 really what is holding me back is my psychology. And we can go back to this message is, are you trading to trade or are we trading to make money? So really great lesson today. Hit out all of our progress in 2 weeks in 1 day, which is also exactly what happened last month. All right. Let's make a quick little prayer. Thank you for this lesson. All right. Thank you for this lesson. Thank you for the recording. I will go back and I'll watch the recording and I will feel very embarrassed of who I was in that moment, and that will propel me higher. Thank you.